welcome to clickmyproject.com. Project title is Reversing Defense Against Large-Scale Online Password Guessing Attack. In this concept is multiple user connecting from the network. If network connected to the legitimate user will process from the data. In two level of method implement. First method is ATT process and another method is monitoring. In this level of development against user to the PGRP. The PGRP is a network protocol. The PGRP is used to the multiple user login and multiple time enter the CAPTCHA from the network. The attacker attack the level of the legitimate user and will retrieve from the data. The dictionary attack charges PGRP limit to total number of the login and attempt the unknown remote cost as low as the single attempt of the username. And in the ATT process performance to the PGRP in real world to data retrieved from the SS server log to the online password guessing attack. This process flow is first registered from the username and the user IP from the server. The user connecting from the network, the user will be observed from the data. The data will be processed the secure the data transfer from the enter the CAPTCHA. The data transfer from the particular user. The secure data transfer the network related protocol is PGRP protocol. The two level of process, first process ATT process, another process monitoring process. ATT process is the particular user to data transfer from the CAPTCHA code, and the later to the PGRP protocol is there will be data process from the one user to the another user. A monitoring process, the attacker will be allowed to the attack and monitoring from the server. Next will be start to the user process. The user process start will be register from the username and the user IP from the user port number from the login from the user process. First enter the username and the user IP from the register from the servers. The login to the connect to the user and the client from the process. Next will be created to the network level of the user creations. The number of users created from the network. The connected to the source and destination of the user from the network. Select the source user and will be selected the destination of the users connected from the network. The level 1 passes to the network. The two level of CAPTCHA enter from the network. First will be enter the user level of the CAPTCHA and next will be enter the server level of the CAPTCHA. The server level of the CAPTCHA is used from the upload the file from to the servers. First enter the user level of the CAPTCHA code. Next will be file select to the process. Next will be file select to the one user to the another user of the process. The two level of process on encryption and T encryptions. First encryption to the secure file storage level of the user will be enter the user IP and select to the file name. First enter the user password. Next will be select to the user process. Data will be encrypted from the secure level of data transfer. The file transfer is a next process. The ATT process is a attacker level of attack of the process. First will be enter the server register username and next will be enter the user register IP and will connect to the process. The process is allowed to the user and client connected to the process. Next will be file received to the process. The user will be connected to the source and destination of the users and enter the server level of the process. Server upload the file from the user of the process. The secure level of the storage data is access to the multiple from the one user to the another user of the process. The file location will be select to the particular folder when will be file receive the data. The user will be start to the process and receive will be start to the user level of the process. And next in the file storage level of the encryption of the data. The next will be start the server's process and the secure file storage level of the process. The secure level storage file is a encryption file will be data will be sent to the one user to the another user connected of the process. The file received from the server from upload of the files. The browser number of the browser will be connected from the network. First will be enter the service area will be connected to the one user to the another user of the connected of the process. The next will data transfer from the process will be terminate the four level of process. First process IP address and login date and HTTP number cookies. IP address is a source and destination will be processed on the attacker level of attack to find the IP. Login date the user will be login date. HTTP user browse the history level of the IP. The secure data transfer for data seconds of the times. And the next will be enter the server IP. The server IP will be connected to the one user to the another user of the process will be start the server level of IP. Next will and another next will be connected to the service level of the IP and then be connected from the network. And the next will you next will you find out from the one level of the another user of the levels. First user is source of data as attacker IP and from the attacker cookies from the secure level of storage from the browser name and the browser level of the history types. Next we will be connect to the port numbers. This port number is user connect port numbers. The user connect port number is registered from the servers. And to connect to the one user to the another user from the secure storage level of the online password guessing attack. The level 1 is completed to the process. Next will be process to start to the level 2. The level 2 is process is number of the user connected from the transfer level of the process. The secure level of the data retrieved from the user browse history and the user PGRP protocol. The PGRP protocol is the password guessing residence protocol. Password guessing residence protocol is used for attacker role of attack to find the data secure level data store number of the PGRP count from the network. The four level of IP from the in this process. First IP is TCP IP from and ICMP and PGRP. ICMP Internet Control Message Protocol. TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. PGRP is Password Guessing Residence Protocols. The attacker attacked from the data and will retrieve from the data transfer. The attacker attacked the level of the count from the user data passes from the network. Next will be start the port level of process. This port number is a user register server port number and connect to the user and user service level of the process. This process is terminated to the one user to the another user. The secure data transfer from the user is a secure storage level of the process is a PGRP protocol is user to the one user to the another users. The browser history is connected to the secure level of the user and the user IP. The user connecting from the network. The user will be observed from the data. The data will be passed to the one user to the another user. They will be captured from the produce the data. The secure data transfer use of the network later to the protocol. The two level of process is a ATT and a monitoring process. This process is a multiple user connecting from the network. The user multiple time login and the user enter the CAPTCHA from the CAPTCHA code. The will be attacker attack the process will be reduced from the one user to the another users. The online password guessing is a multiple means of the process will be connected to the user level of the secure data transfer from the one level of the another level. The level 2 is completed from the secure level storage data provided from the servers. The file level of process first process level protocols HTTP request number and level 1 will be increases to the level 35 and user status. First is a process level. Next will be connected to the TCP and PGRP and the ICMP. TCP transmission control protocol, PCP a password guessing residence protocol, ICMP is a internet control message protocol, and the HTTP is a HTTP secure level of process. HTTP number user browser history level of the process. Next we will be start to the another process is a secure level storage level of the process. The select to the protocol ICMP Internet Control Message Protocol and User Datagram Protocol. Select will be PGRP protocol. PGRP protocol will be number of time enter the process in the level of the process. The number of time user to the PGRP protocol is 80. The available to the process is a service level of the process. Next will be created the user state. Each level of the attack try to attack the process. The next will be start will be reduced to the user level of the correct path. First enter the user code and another enter the server code. Next will be allowed to the process. The allowed to the process is a number of user will be connected to the secure level of the path. The default number is entered from the server and is now available to the one user to the another user of the process. The secure level of the attacker level of the process. The data passes from the user 1 and user 2 and user 4 and user 3. The attacker level of path equal to user 1, user 5 and user 6 to the secure level of storage data. The two level of graph generated from the process. First graph is attacker level of find the graph. The data transfer to the source and destination of the user will be data passes from the network level, and another process is attacker to attack try to the find the value from the one process to the another process. Attacker finding will be from the data passes from the file. The data size equal 124 KB and data will process from the 75 seconds of this process. This process secure level storage of the process. This process is a tool of detect and food force attack and the dictionary attack. The anomaly detection is a secure file storage level of the process in the process. The unnamed password guessing attack is a secure level storage of the process will be from the universal distance of the data will be processed to the network. The anomaly detection is the unwanted user enter the online process. Thank you.